Kidney disease diet. Is rice safe to eat? For people with kidney disease, diet plays a crucial role in managing health. Foods that are safe for healthy individuals may pose risks when kidney function is compromised. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Rice, a common staple, often raises questions. Is rice safe to eat for kidney disease patients? 1. Nutritional profile of rice. Rice is mainly carbohydrates with low protein and fat. White rice has less fiber and fewer minerals, while brown rice contains more phosphorus and potassium, nutrients that kidney patients often need to limit. 2. Phosphorus and potassium considerations. White rice is generally safer because it has lower phosphorus and potassium levels. Brown rice, though more nutritious, can strain the kidneys if eaten in large amounts. Monitoring intake is essential to avoid complications. 3. Portion control. Even safe rice should be eaten in moderation. About half a cup per meal helps manage blood sugar and reduces the load on kidneys. Pairing rice with low potassium vegetables or lean proteins improves nutrient balance. 4. Cooking tips. Soaking rice for a few hours and rinsing before cooking can slightly reduce minerals like potassium. These small steps make rice easier for the kidneys to handle. 5. Including rice in a kidney diet. Rice can fit into a kidney disease diet when chosen wisely. Opt for white rice, watch portions, and combine it with kidney-friendly foods to enjoy meals safely. Rice is safe for kidney disease patients when eaten in moderation and prepared carefully. Paying attention to type, portion, and pairing ensures you maintain a balanced, kidney-conscious diet without giving up this staple. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.